This is product D3442 and this is a Croft product. This is the Croft 1754 and it's the oval doorknob. This is in the shade Polished Brass and Lacquered. Croft do many different finishes, so please check to see what is available on our website. This is a small Mortice 60mm knob. It's also available in a rim lock version. The length of the knob is 57mm. The diameter of the rose, which is the base here, and that's 60mm. And the protrusion is 67mm. This is the Mortice version. So it's supplied with two doorknobs, as you can see, both with black back plates. Also, it is supplied with the Mortice spindle, which you can cut down to size. And they also supply screws to match the finish. So this would be in the polished brass unlacquered, just so it beautifully all blends in. As you can see, they are beautiful doorknobs made of very high quality. So this is the Croft 1754 and it's the oval doorknob.